Here we are discussing out various motions of Earth. That means when we are there with Sun, what is our motion? Same way when Earth is rotating around its axis, what is the speed? But you are aware that we are not able to realize that speed. We are feeling that, say for example, now you are observing me. You are observing me as steady at particular place only. And same thing is there with everybody of us, that on Earth's surface, no doubt Earth's surface is not steady, it is moving, but still we are appearing that everything is same in rest position, and therefore we have to introduce certain concepts over here. We are calling that as reference frame. Now I am giving you certain ideas and try to imagine yourself first. Say for example, a train is there. Suppose one compartment is there made up of glass, complete transparent compartment is there. This is, suppose here a train. Imagine we are able to observe this compartment transparent. Here there is one seat, person is sitting over here, another seat is here, a person is sitting over here. There is a rod. So from side you may observe only rod like this. And now just imagine that train is moving in this direction. Find out that train is moving in this direction. You will find that the person sitting here and person sitting here, they are considering themselves as steady, because distance between these two persons will remain same in reference to whatever he is observing here. Suppose train is not transparent, then the points he observed, with respect to that, this fellow is not moving, and same way with respect to this point, this fellow is not moving, steady. So this way one can say that both are imagining themselves as steady, though they are not, because they are in the same compartment and they are moving. Now again make compartment transparent. Now the rod is here. You will realize that train is moving in this direction, so this fellow will observe that rod is coming towards himself. This fellow will observe rod is moving away from himself. Getting idea? So this is the observation. Then two persons are sitting like this in front of each other. The rod that will move towards this person. So he may observe that rod is moving. He may observe rod is moving. But a person standing on platform, suppose here is the platform, and person is standing here, he is observing. He may observe that compartment is moving in this direction, rod is at steady position. Getting idea? So the observation of person is important, and then he will realize that what is the motion. Say where the sunrise is taking place, east direction, sunset west direction. If you observe within 12 hours or whatever daytime or night time, according to that date, but usually within 12 hours sunrise to sunset traveling is there, especially on equinoxes. We will see afterwards that, but approximately 12 hours is time. Sun is moving from east to west. Now here we are saying that sun is moving from east to west. Practically speaking, this is our observation from Earth. Actually sun is steady and we are moving from west to east. Therefore it appears that sun is moving from east to west. So like that many concepts are there. From Earth, if you observe night sky, you will find that every star, every planet is rising and setting. But pole star will not change its position. pole star is having fixed position in the sky. Suppose I am having a camera where I am opening out shutter completely and taking out photograph throughout the night. That observation will be something like that. The photograph, suppose this is the photograph developed. Now I am making pole star at center and fixing out camera, and exposure is given, ordinary camera roll is used. Tonight exposure, you will get that various concentric rings you may observe around this, but central point will be central. Why? Because this pole star will not move anywhere, but rest of the stars will have motion like this. So star will rise from here and get out of the picture. So this way everything you appear that all stars are moving around pole star, but they are not moving around pole star. From Earth, observation is that they are moving around pole star. You may observe two closely related stars in sky. At night time you may observe this type of thing, that two stars are in vicinity of each other, but practically they may not be in vicinity. Say this is first star, this is second star. Okay, the distance is this, but I am observing from this angle. You may say these two stars are very, very close. Actually they are not very, very close. So like that, the observer's view is here important. The observation made by observer is considered here important, but it is not the real one. Say from Earth we may have almost observe similar size for sun and moon, but practically sun is much more bigger than Earth. Obviously Earth is much more bigger than moon, so obviously sun is much more greater than moon, but still the apparent size of moon and sun is similar, and therefore we can observe eclipse. Otherwise eclipse will not possible. So this is the case. We can go that observations are important, and therefore we have to consider various reference frames, and with reference frame we are finding out particular object is in motion or not. This is not that particular thing is at rest position or not. Now with my knowledge, there is nothing in this universe is at rest position. Each and every object is in continuous motion. Check out, Earth is rotating around its axis, Earth is revolving around sun. Sun is steady, answer is no. Sun is also having motion around galaxy. Then center of galaxy is steady, answer is no. Galaxies are moving away from each other, and that's why every object in this world, in this universe, is in motion. So motion is there in the universe. So this way we are now relating out whatever we are getting knowledge in order to get greater knowledge about this universe. So here we are having clear-cut concept that whatever we are observing is not always true. I am not saying always false, but not always true. And that's why now I am turning out from science to spirituality. In our scriptures it is mentioned that Brahmaiva Satyam, Jagan Mithya. So what this Jagan Mithya, you can observe here that whatever you are going to observe, that is not true, not always true. Say for example, we may observe pole star as steady, but pole star is not steady. Pole star is also part of our galaxy, and it is also moving around center. Forget of pole star, one simple concept is there. You must have realized or gone through newspaper, you must have heard that India is capable of launching geostationary satellite. It is called as geostationary or geosynchronized. Anyway, in common language we are calling it geostationary satellite, but properly we can say it is geosynchronized satellite. What is that satellite? Just check out here. This is Earth, whereas this is the satellite launch over here. Satellite is making orbit around Earth, but at the same time Earth is moving. Say for example, Earth is moving in this direction. and satellite is also moving in this direction. Whatever the speed of Earth's surface is moving here, making orbit, at the same speed satellite is also making orbit. So we may appear that satellite is steady, whereas it is not steady, but from Earth we are observing it is steady, it is on our head. But practically speaking, the speed with which Earth is moving, the same speed with which satellite is moving around us. So it appears steady, but it is not steady. Those of you must have observed, particularly in case of our Mumbai, we are having train track. Slow train track is separate and fast train track is separate. Suppose a fast train or that express train is traveling on that track, and I am traveling from slow train. But between that, suppose both trains are having same speed, then I can observe that this train is also steady, this train is also steady. Suppose the express train is moving with higher speed, I may observe this is our train, this train is passing out. So it is going in front direction. Whereas suppose this train is slow and this is overtaking, then I may observe this train is going in back direction. But both are having same speed, then I may observe the trains are steady. But this is not actually steady, both trains are in motion and both objects are having same motion. Therefore we appear that we get realized that they are at steady position. So same thing is there. I am not able to experience motion here, because whatever the points are there on Earth, with respect to that point I am not in motion, I am steady, and therefore I consider myself as steady, whereas it is not steady. But if you observe sky, then you will realize that we are not steady, we are also in motion, but what we are considering, we are steady, and objects in the sky, they are in motion. And that's why that spiritual part, Brahmaiva Satyam Jagan Mithya. So whatever you are observing, that is not always truth. We were considering that sun is moving around Earth, but now we realize that we are not, sun is not moving around Earth, Earth is moving around sun. We were considering all planets are revolving around Earth, but no, right now we realize that only moon is revolving around Earth and other planets are not revolving around Earth, they are revolving around sun. So like that, complications are there, and you have to observe continuously. Try to get space observation daily. At night time you can observe sky, and even daytime also. Now here I am giving you simple idea. You can carry out this experiment. If you have a garden or that backyard is there or terrace is there, then you can do this simple experiment. Say this is the pen, there is terrace, make this type of pole or even pen, mark on the terrace, and at fixed time, say it is where you are staying on that basis. Suppose you are staying in range of Mumbai, then observe this around 12:30. Suppose you are there at Allahabad range, then observe exactly Allahabad, that means vertically on map Allahabad range, then observe at 12 o'clock. Suppose you are staying in eastern part of India, that is Nagaland, Mizoram, etc., then observe first that around 11:30. Around that, just check out this pole is there, where the shadow is there, and suppose this is the paper, I am lifting out pen over here, just put a mark of shadow where you observe. Try to make mark of shadow every day or at least once a week, at least. You will get that every time the size of shadow is changing out, and ultimately you will get certain point where no shadow can be observed, no shadow. But this is not everybody's observation. Suppose you are there at Delhi, you are not supposed to observe that no shadow point. But if you are there between Tropic of Cancer and south part of that Tropic of Cancer, then you can observe this no shadow point. So check out, I am giving you this exercise, you check out and find out the answer. Thanks.